This tutorial will show how sap2000's Model Alive feature continuously updates the model during development and editing, automatically rerunning the analysis after every revision, allowing for the easy evaluation of changes. To illustrate the Model Alive functionality, we will use a simple planar truss. Start Model Alive by clicking on the toolbar button. The Model Alive feature remains active until you toggle the button to turn it off. When Model Alive is active, the model will remain unlocked. In addition, analysis results will not automatically be saved. It is recommended that you save your data routinely. Finally, when working on the model graphically, the undo-redo commands will not be available. Now to see the feature in action. Select a member, and then delete, and the deformed shape is automatically updated. Change to an axial force display, and delete another member to see how the forces change. Select the draw mode, and the view changes to the undeformed shape. However, once you leave the draw command, the analysis is rerun and the previous display is updated. Switching back to the original model, we will show how this feature works with the interactive database editing command. We will delete a member, so we select Object Connectivity. The table generated shows all of the frame members and their connectivity. We select Member 13, which is highlighted in the model. Clicking the Delete Record button and then the Apply to Model button removes Member 13 from the model, and with Model Alive active, automatically updates the deformed shape. However, unlike when we removed objects graphically, the interactive database editing command allows us to undo the last operation. Again, the model results are automatically updated. Next, display the axial forces again. And go back to the interactive database editing command. This time, select Joint Assignments and the Joint Restraints table. Select Joint 7, which is at the far right corner, and click Copy and then Paste Insert. In the added record, change the joint to Joint 5, and then click the Apply to Model button. Another restraint is added, and the axial forces are updated. Again, we can undo this step if needed. As a reminder, none of these results have been saved, so remember to save the model on a regular basis. This concludes this tutorial.